As part of the ongoing financial inclusion efforts, HiPipo, a Ugandan organization, has rolled out a 40 days 40 FinTech project which is aimed at reaching out to 40 FinTech participants, mainly in Uganda, profile their achievements and challenges, as well as introducing them to interoperability tools like Mojaloop, a software that eases financial transactions and services.
What is happening in the industry? You see, when we went to the universities, they told us about API.
The 40 days 40 FinTech project started yesterday with Kanzu Code, a financial service FinTech in Uganda. Today marks the second day of the 40 days 40 FinTechs and Mallan Company Limited, a FinTech aimed at innovative solutions for everyone to access financial services, made an interaction with HiPipo on how best they can find solutions to their financial services extended to their audience and for solutions on Mojaloop.
We are an ICT solutions company. They now call us FinTechs. So we basically specialize in value-added services and advanced credit services in the mobile payment space. So Mallan is a brainchild of course, myself and my younger brother. He's called Alan, the M for Malcolm. So when we were very young, we dreamt of taking over the world. Of course, we thought about swords, monsters, fighting them, but unfortunately, or fortunately, he ended up going to Japan for further studies, and that's where the dream more or less got broken from. But well, I also got a job, a desk job, and I became a desk junkie. And eventually, when it was time to leave, I remembered that we had this spark that we had made. So in memory of that, that's how Mallan came to be.
Innocent Kawoya, CEO HiPipo, credits Mallan for the creativity of considering utility loans by mobile phone.
Today is the second day of the 40 days 40 FinTechs initiative. But amazingly, Mallan is building amazing solutions, interoperable solutions that are supposed to be serving people at the bottom of the pyramid. For example, there are products that work with circles, are very amazing, and are trying to break the traditional ways of saving money in boxes and locking it with padlocks, you know. And that's very, very important for us to have as a provision of service and as a thought for an organization like them that is in financial technology. And lastly, Mallan is already adapting with the usage of Mojaloop. Mojaloop is an amazing standard that is globally accepted that works with very amazing specifications of the GSM API specification. So it helps us beat so many challenges with one goal. We are sure when they're developing a solution of Mojaloop, we are sure it is one, interoperable, two, it is convenient, it is reliable, and it's very secure.
With Mojaloop, Malcolm Kastiro, CEO Mallan Company Limited, thinks interaction between financial service providers and financial interactions will be easier, especially on the bulky payment service.
The products we have under Mallan, we have the bulk payment product. We're mainly helping SMEs to send bulk payments to their employees because probably of a KYC element, KYC meaning I know your customer. You find that most of these companies, they do not have enough information about their customers, or they cannot open bank accounts. So their employees end up not being able to. So what we do is that we enable the SMEs to be able to send them money or send the people that they want money. Then also we have Yassako. Yassako is a new service that will be coming to you soon on Airtel. It's a microcredit or microloan service for people to top up their utility bills. So we're going to start with electricity. So ideally it's electricity all year on credit. So once you run out of electricity, you just use the service and then you get a token within 2-3 seconds.
According to Simon Peter Kamia, a HiPipo facilitator, Mojaloop is the way to go for achieving financial inclusion and interoperability. Mojaloop can be accessed by an individual.
So what is happening today in the industry? Different customers have different subscriptions. One customer is on another network, and then the same customer has a bank account. The same customer has a different account for a service provider, utility service provider. So what is happening? These people have to subscribe almost to all those accounts, and each financial service provider is creating a special account for their people, special application. So what Mojaloop is doing Mojaloop is creating one circle where it will provide terminals for all these different financial providers to be accessed by one customer without installing several apps.
Musimenta Maria, an intern at Mallan Company Limited, says bulk payment services from the Mallan Company is helpful, especially to women in emergency times.
It's giving out microfinances in form of a loan, like Yassako. So once a woman is at home and maybe power goes off, a woman is baking, so this woman can run, she can, get her phone, dial *15# and get a loan, a quick loan of maybe 2,000, 5,000, and continue with what she's been doing. So this loan is helping the woman continue with her day-to-day activities. Maybe a woman is home and she's maybe tutoring her kids, and then power goes off. She'll still get back her phone and then dial the code and then get power. It's helping them in terms of discounts, like discounts when they're getting loans, transactions, and all that.
Malcolm is looking forward to implementing Mojaloop.
And we're also working on another one, a payment gateway. We are going to build using Mojaloop. So we want to create options for people. Of course, give them options, make sure that there are features that they enjoy, and also offer as many services as possible. But we're looking at creating an ecosystem whereby, in as much as it's easy to move money from your mobile money account, from your bank account, from your Yassako, you can also use this money to either invest in something, use this money to do a payment, pay school fees, or even send it outside the country. So we want to create one ecosystem where people can enjoy services. I would like to thank HiPipo, of course, for giving us the publicity, showcasing the products that are in Uganda, and also HiPipo with the collaboration and partnership they have with the Mojaloop Foundation. They are helping us understand and appreciate the role of payments, especially when it comes to financial inclusion. So HiPipo is giving us that platform that we need to get the product out there. They're giving us the platform that we need to acquire the customers. They're giving us the platform that we need to get the necessary stakeholders on board in terms of regulations, partnerships, and all that. So HiPipo is really playing a fundamental role in getting us to the next level.
Well, as an ecosystem advocate, HiPipo is mandated to support all the fintechs that we are engaging. One, by making sure we advocate for their a simpler regulation with the regulators and with the partners like the MNOs, like the banks, so they're able to integrate much easier. Secondly, we are supposed to make sure we take the word out for them and tell people about the services they have. For example, nobody knew that you can actually borrow electricity using mobile money, and they have the service. So I mean, it's our job, and thank you to Smart24 for actually being a part and a partner and for supporting to take out this message to the people.
The 40 Days 40 FinTech project is organized by HiPipo under its Include Everyone program in partnership with Crosslake Tech, ModusBox and Mojaloop. Rita Cabanyero, Smart24.